Hey guys, what's going on? It's your old boy Frank here. Get this adjusted just a touch. Well, I screwed it all up. Anyhow, so man, how to save money with PDR, Paintless Dent Repair. That's a phrase that we hear quite a bit in our industry. And it's what the comparison is to conventional repairs in a body shop. So if a panel or a car, maybe it has hail damage, or in this case, what we're gonna look at today is a minor dent. Back in the day, that used to have to be painted. It would take days, maybe a week or weeks, to get that car cycled through, get the metal, get the panel repaired, get it prepped, and get it painted, and then back to the customer. And so, the paintless dent repair method, what that does is we're able to fix a lot of the damage and dents without having to paint the vehicle. Because we've learned over the years that you can push the metal to a point, and the paint, it's flexible enough nowadays that it can withstand the method that we use to fix this damage. So I'm going to show you a couple of things real quick that will maybe ring a bell on how to save money with paintless dent repair. So I'm going to turn the camera around and show you a couple things here real quick. Okay, so today here we're going to work on this pretty new Suburban. So again, to the naked eye, this would look like there's not much there, not much damage. There's damage here on this panel, and so the reason for our specialized paintless dent repair lights is you can see this damage here now, and so we can see this damage. And so typically what would happen in, say, a collision incident, or if this was taken to a body shop, is they would have to repair all this. They would have to more than likely maybe grind that down and use a stud to pull that out, and so then this has a metallic color to it, and you have to what they call match the paint. When you spray it on, it doesn't just automatically match, and then you have a hard body line right here. And so the reason why that's important is because if you're fixing this panel right here, you can't just paint this and hope this matches. So you have to actually take this handle off, take all this off of this door, sand this door down, and you have to paint both panels. And that repair, like for that little dent right there, could probably run between $1,500, but I'd say $1,000 to $2,000, depending on what shop you take it to, and their policies and so on. And then the other thing is, that's going to take probably 3 to 5 days at least to get this damage repaired. Okay? And so here's what paintless dent repair offers. I'll be able to fix that damage right there today, and probably half a day, because the methods we use, that's a really good candidate for what we call paintless dent repair. And so that's a really good candidate right there for our method, and we can repair that vehicle back to its original condition, pre-damage, without having to paint that panel, and at a lower cost than the $1,500 or $1,000, $2,000. You see, a lot of times people nowadays we see have $1,000 deductibles or $500 deductibles. So if I can fix that dent right there for $400 or $500, and then that's going to save them time and money, versus if they have $1,000 deductible, they're going to have to pay $1,000 of the repair. And so that is where the savings come in. Maintain your factory finish, your factory value, less hassle, less time. So you can go to localhailrepair.com, or I'm sure we'll have a send message button on here that you can contact us and find out. Thanks. See you later.